Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, let us solve this question. So we have 6 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 48. Now the goal here is to solve for x. Okay, so x is equal to question mark. To solve for x, solution, what we have is 6 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 48. Now looking at this right here, okay, if we have a to the power of m minus n, this equals a to the power of m over a to the power of n. Now applying this principle right here, what we have is 6 to the power of x over 6 to the power of 2 is equal to 48. Okay, at this junction, okay, you can then cross multiply such that they multiply this and 1 multiply 6 to the power of x. Now, if 1 multiply this, you have 6 to the power of x is equal to 6 squared is 36, then multiplied by 48. Okay, so with this, we can then introduce logarithm on both sides of the equation. So the log of 6 to the power of x is equal to log of, in bracket, 36 times 48. Okay, good. So with this, right, what you have is that if you have logarithm of m to the power of p, power p then becomes p, then you have logarithm of m. Now applying this principle to this, right here, what you have is power x becoming x, then you have logarithm of 6 is equal to logarithm of, in bracket, 36 times 48. Okay, now if you have logarithm of a times b, okay, this equals logarithm of a plus logarithm of b. So applying this right here, what you have is, okay, x logarithm of 6 is equal to, now this becomes logarithm of 36 then plus logarithm of 48. Okay, then at this junction, divide both sides by logarithm of 6 over logarithm of 6 such that this cancel this. What you have is x is then equal to, now if we split this, we will get logarithm of 36 over logarithm of 6 plus logarithm of 48 over logarithm of 6. Okay, now with this, x is equal to logarithm of 36 can be written as 6 squared all over logarithm of 6, then you have plus logarithm of 48 all over logarithm of 6. Okay, let us then clean this side. Now we have x is equal to, okay, now looking at logarithm of 6 to the power of 2, using power of logarithm, this becomes power 2 then becomes 2, then you have logarithm of 6 all over logarithm of 6, then plus logarithm of 48, log of 48 over logarithm of 6. Okay, at this junction, right, what we can do is that we have x is equal to 2 logarithm of 6 over logarithm of 6, right, then plus logarithm of, now 48 can be written as 6 times 8, right, then all over logarithm of 6. Now with this, x is then equal to 2 logarithm of 6 over logarithm of 6, then plus, now applying the same rule that we got right here to this, you will get logarithm of 6 plus logarithm of 8 all over logarithm of 6. Okay, so with this, logarithm of 6 divide logarithm of 6, what you have is x is equal to 2 then plus logarithm of, if you split this, logarithm of 6 over logarithm of 6 plus logarithm of 8 over logarithm of 6. Now let us clean up this side. Now we have x is equal to 2 plus, okay, logarithm of 6 divided logarithm of 6, you have 1, okay, plus logarithm of 8 all over logarithm of 6. Now with this, x is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3, then plus logarithm of 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 all over logarithm of 6. So x is then equal to 3 plus, now looking at logarithm of 2 to the power of 3, applying the power of logarithm right here rule, you can have it that power 3 then becomes 3 logarithm of 2, then all over logarithm of 6. Now at this junction, if you have logarithm of a over logarithm of b, this equals logarithm of a base b. Okay, so applying this to this, what you have is x is then equal to 3 plus 3, then logarithm of 2 base 6. And with this, we've gotten the value of x. Let's then check if we input the value of x into this equation, we can get 48. Okay, let's check it out. The value of x that we got is x is equal to 3 plus 3 logarithm of 2 base 6. Now inputting this into the equation, that 6 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 48. So we have 6. So power x right here, the x value is this. So 3 plus 3 logarithm of 2 base 6, then power minus 2 is equal to 48, right? Now at this junction, 3 minus 2 is 1. So you have 6 power of 1 plus 3 logarithm of 2 base 6. Now if you have b to the power of m plus n is equal to b to the power of m times b to the power of n. So applying this principle to this, what you have is 6 to the power of 1 then times 6 to the power of 3 logarithm of 2 base 6 is equal to 48. Okay, now at this junction, right, we have 6 to the power of 1 is 6, then times 6. Now applying the reverse power logarithm rule, so this 3 right here becomes power of 2. So you have logarithm of 2 to the power of 3, then base 6 is equal to 48. So you have 6 times 6 to the power of logarithm of 2 power of 3 is 8, base 6 is equal to 48. Okay, at this junction, if you have a, okay, power of logarithm of b base a, this is equal to b. Now applying this principle to this, what you have is 6 times, now this becomes 8 is equal to 48, right? Now, as you can see, 6 times 8 is 48, which equals 48. So that means that the value of x that we got, right, gave us 48, which also equals 48 in the question. So with this, we've gotten the final answer, that x is equal to 3 plus 3 logarithm of 2 base 6. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I also hope you learned one or two from this video. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video to your friend. You can ask your question in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.